Welcome to Brain Vision.
So, in this question, it states that the plane stress at a critical point in a steel machine bracket is shown, and if the yield stress is equal to 36 ksi, right? So, it states that if the yield stress, right, is the yield stress sigma sub y is equal to 36 ksi, right? So determine if yielding occurs using the maximum distortion energy theory, right? So let's start with the solution. Now we are given by the figure of the problem that sigma sub x is equal to 20 ksi, sigma sub y is equal to negative 12 ksi, and torr sub xy is equal to 18 ksi, right? Now we are required to solve it. For that we need to use equation 10.30 that describes the maximum distortion theory, right? But for that we need to find out the principal stresses, right? So to do so for finding out the principal stresses, we need to use equation 9.5, right? So by using equation 9.5, we would find these principal stresses, right? So sigma sub 1, that is the first principal stress. So that is sigma sub x plus sigma sub y divided by 2 positive under root parenthesis start sigma sub x negative sigma sub y divided by 2 whole square negative positive torr sub xy square, right? You have the values, just plug them in and you will get that sigma sub 1 is equal to 28.0832. That is approximately equal to 28.08 ksi, right? Now that you have the value for the first principal stress, let's find out the value of the second principal stress. So that would be sigma sub x plus sigma sub y divided by 2 negative under root sigma sub x negative sigma sub y divided by 2 whole square positive torr sub xy whole square, right? So that would be equal to, when you will plug in the values and calculate it, so you will get that it is equal to negative 20.0832. That is approximately equal to 20.08 ksi, right? Now you have the value of the other principal stress as well. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to simply use the equation 10.30, right? So that is sigma sub y square is equal to sigma sub 1 square negative times sigma sub 1 sub 2 plus positive sigma square. Right, as you can see over here that we have a square in the left hand side, so it means that we need to take under root of this whole equation. So when we'll do so, we'll get sigma sub y is equal to under root sigma sub 1 square negative sigma sub 1 sigma sub 2 plus sigma sub 2 whole square, right? So just plug in the values and we'll get that sigma sub y is equal to 41.9097. That is approximately equal to 41.91 ksi, right? So now what we are going to do is that we are going to compare this value, right, with the given value. So we have since 41.91 is greater than the value that was given to us, that is 36 ksi, KSI, right? So it means that the um, material material fails, right, according to the maximum distortion energy theory, right? And this concludes our answer.